So we picked up this this product. It's called Rollemup party light holders.
Rollemup party.
Let me show you this. All right, they come in packages of 7. It's made in the USA.
Roll them up, roll them up.
And whenever I just realized how they hook up, I was like, this is smart. This is a real smart idea.
Good product.
Yes, it is. It's got all this is Velcro strap, but it's got this little plastic piece on it, and this actually fits in your slide like this. Okay.
Okay.
So you could hang stuff, right?
Wait, let me get a close.
You can hang stuff. This will slide
cool.
all over. But then get this. At the end of the day, you don't have to remove this. This gets rolled up in your awning.
Yeah, you just don't hit it.
It doesn't need to be removed, is what.
What's the point of it? Just to hang stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna hang some lights. If you got if you get 2 packs, you know, you get a whole bunch of these. You can hang.
They gave you that free. That's the extra stuff you were talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So you can put a whole bunch of them, which I'm gonna load this whole thing up.
Yeah.
With all of them, really.
Yeah.
And on a camping trip, we're gonna see what we can hang with. Being that this is,
We can hang some stuff.
yeah, we can. We can get all crazy with hanging.
Crazy. Roll them up, roll them up.
Anyway, I just thought it was a cool little product.
It is.
Yeah.
You gonna talk about your roll them up though?
Yeah. But what I'm gonna do is, I got black as well, so I'm gonna alternate the colors because I guess I want to customize. I don't like just, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I just thought it was a good idea.
I thought you bought a new. So you bought that new strap? No. You just bought that? Oh, you knew what that was.
I knew what it was, but I didn't know how they was gonna hang. I didn't know how they were. Someone had said, I said, how do you find this? You know, like how you. I googled it.
Cool. It don't play either. That's some tough Velcro. So you see, guys, it's some Velcro, and you could do whatever. That's cool.
Ain't that neat?
That's pretty cool. That's a cool gadget that we're gonna have to put an affiliate link on.
Yeah. Alright, so I finally hooked up to the Jeep and it started moving. I just made a turn. I'm trying to see how it handles the turns. So I got a cross street we're coming up to, and I'm gonna be turning hard. So far it pulls real good. In fact, we all riding up in here right now. We got Mama, Bella. The light ain't good.
You gotta bring it and then bring it out.
And we got Tico. So here's the test right here. I'm gonna grab this and start filming. I'm gonna be turning hard, and I need to watch. I want to see what kind of a bind I'm gonna get in, and I'm gonna get out. So this is pretty much the hardest I'm gonna be right here. So I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go look. Look good.
You comfortable with the Jeep on the back?
Yeah.
Mom, look. Tico, you behave yourself. I want to go in my bag. You watching it, Sean?
Yeah.
Like, it was kind of close to that curve, you know?
And girls are tie-dyeing right now.
We had fun. I'm about to take my own shirt off and tie-dye it. We need more stuff to tie-dye. We have ink. We have dye left.
I have white shorts.
We should tie up Tico.
It has to be certain fabric.
Well, I've been working on the motorhome all day. And I whipped out the grill. We're gonna grill up some burgers. Doing a good cleaning right now. Bella's wiping down everything. Mama's vacuuming. We're probably gonna spend the night in here. So we're gonna do some camping in the driveway.
Make all that crust and store crusty stuff into one little pile.
Alrighty. So it's Saturday night, 4th of July. We're all in the camper. It's a weird shot. Everything's been cleaned. Bella and Natalie spent all afternoon and we up in here. We're gonna camp out tonight. Alrighty, it's Friday afternoon, and we just got our sofa in from Rec Pro or REC Pro. We got a sofa bed, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out the box and bring it in the bus.
Okay.
That smells good.
Let's try to put it. So we put the sofa in, and it fit real good. I like it. We had to pull out the shelves in the back, and I pulled paint. So we're gonna have to sand a little bit and repaint that back wall. But in a little while, I'm gonna pull out the bed, and I'm gonna show you what it does. It makes a big sofa bed. The only issue is this is about 3 inches taller than the rest of the sofa. So I'm gonna have to make some shims, some blocks that's gonna have to go underneath the bars to hold up the rest of the bed. Well, you know, sometimes you want to do something, but something always gets in your way. Well, I had that happen. I had a flat tire. So for the last few days, I've been driving the Jeep to work, and I need to do some work on that Jeep. The suspension is really not what it's supposed to be, and it's just beating me up. And I'm also trying to get a run in the afternoon. So I haven't been doing the videos as much as what I would like to have been doing, and I apologize for that. But we're gonna have some good content coming out, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I would really appreciate y'all watching, and thank you so much. Remember to please like, comment, subscribe. I need y'all to comment. The YouTube's algorithm takes comments, and then it helps the videos up in a order, I guess, or makes suggestions for other people to watch. So the more comments we get, the more we get exposed. So again, I'm about to start changing the tire. Thanks for watching.